trapped by your desire turns you into stone. The light we stole, river turns to dust. Miles on the run, everywhere you go, can't find no home. All the world you roam turns you into stone.
Alam mo, sobrang saya ko ngayon. Kasi dumating na yung araw na pinakahihintay natin. Dati, parati mo ako tinatanong, kailan kaya tayo magkikita ng madalas? Sabi ko sa'yo, darating din yun. Dati, parati mo ako tinatanong, kailan kaya darating ang araw na ito? Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag ka mag-alala. Darating din yun. Ngayon, andito na. Dumating na ang araw na pinangako ko sa'yo.
We balance on a swing somewhere between truth and grace, 'cause walking through is harder than it seems. After the worst is done, after the stars
Those 15 years were not easy. The pain was at times unbearable. I tried to give up. I even asked God to just take away all these feelings for you. Drained and tired, I wanted to just escape. But you know what saved the day? Hope.
you've got to hold on tight. You've got to hold on tight.
Maraming salamat dahil hindi ka bumitaw. Dahil parati kang nandyan para sa akin. Salamat sa walang sawang pagmamahal na pinakita at pinaramdam mo sa akin for the past 15 years. Maraming salamat dahil pinakita mo sa akin kung ano talaga ang ibig sabihin ng tunay na pagmamahal. Ang pagmamahal na walang hinihinging kapalit. Ang pagmamahal na buong buo.
Hold on tight. You've got to hold on tight. You've got to hold on tight. You've got to hold on tight.
With me, you are safe. With me, you can share your frustrations, insecurities, your weaknesses, and I will love you just the same.
Ngayong araw na ito, napatunayan natin sa buong mundo na meron talagang forever. Happy 15th anniversary. Mahal na mahal kita.